Good morning, grade 6. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? So, this year we learned 16 chapters in mathematics. So, by now you might have understood at least a bit how you can apply your knowledge in mathematics to solve the different problems that you face in your day-to-day life or the different challenges that you face on a daily basis. So, you can say problem solving. It is the ability to use appropriate methods to face the day-to-day challenges in an organized manner. Now, some people are really good at solving problems. This is something they are born with. So, this doesn't mean that it's something that you cannot work on. So, it is more of a soft skill which you can become better at by solving problems over time. Now here you can see a picture. This is George Polya. He was a Hungarian mathematician and a professor at Stanford University. So he wrote a book which sold over 1 million copies. The book is called How to Solve It. So in this book he has emphasized how we can apply mathematics to solve problems in our day-to-day lives. So through his book, he has talked about a 4-step process which you can apply in general to solve problems. So let's see the 4 steps in this process. The first step is to identify or understand the problem you are being faced with. For example, if you're asked to solve a word problem, the first thing, you'll read the word problem 2 or 3 times. You'll try to understand what is being given to you as data and what is to be found out from the data given to you. So you'll try to understand the problem. Now, if you consider a very simple example from your daily life, you want to write down some note. What would you look for? You would look for a piece of paper, you would look for either a pencil or pen, and you will find ways to get hold of this. That you are understanding your situation or the problem you are being faced with, and you plan a strategy to get it done. So the first step, like I said, is to understand the situation, understand the problem you are faced with. Then you'll plan a strategy or you will devise a strategy. So what do you mean by a strategy? So you can say strategy is a plan of action or what technique or what you are going to do about the problem. That is your strategy. So once you plan your strategy, you are going to carry out that plan. You are going to implement that strategy. So once you implement your strategy, you'll get it done. You'll solve your problem. So now that you implemented your strategy, you need to check if this was done correctly. So the final step is to look back. Look back at the solution and see if it was the right solution. So let's go through the steps once again. The first step, understand the problem, then devise a plan, then carry out the plan, and you have to look back or check again. So I hope the steps are clear to you. So this was a brief introduction to problem solving skills. Now, today as an activity, I would like you to write about a challenge that you faced today and how you solved it. You can make a note of it in your maths notebook. So once you are done with your note, you can take a picture of it and send us through Teams. So that's all for today, children. In the next class, we will see some examples in which you can apply your knowledge in mathematics to solve the problem given to you. So, let's meet again in the next class. Till then, bye.